but we have given that very serious study. It's a very ideal commission for that purpose of looking at the flood control anomalies, and we expect that in its final form, the executive order will be welcomed by the people, because that is what we are doing, everything for the people.